Experiencing a frozen or black screen, no audio, or constant reboots in your Chevy Trax's infotainment system? You're not alone. These are common issues, especially in models from 2015-2023. First, try a simple fix. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to hard reset the system. If that doesn't work, perform a factory reset by holding power plus volume for 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, ensure your MyLink or Infotainment 3.0 system is up to date. GM has released over-the-air software updates, like version 3.2.1 in July 2025, to address these problems. Update by going to the Settings menu in your car. If software updates don't resolve the infotainment issues, hardware limitations are often the culprit. Older models from pre-2019 frequently experience overheating processors, which can cause system failures. Environmental factors like heat worsen the problem, particularly in southern regions where temperatures constrain the system. A dealer-installed cooling fan can help stabilize the system and costs around $300. For no audio issues, check for loose connections or faulty audio modules. These were subject to a recall in 2021, affecting many vehicles. If problems persist, a full hardware replacement by a dealership could cost between $500 and $1,000. Newer 2024-2025 models feature upgraded processors and should be more stable overall. Use GM's app or visit a dealership for free diagnostics to determine the root cause and monitor system logs. As a last resort, aftermarket solutions are available, including custom wiring and replacement units.